Do you know what makes planes faster than sound? It's called the supersonic speed. Planes like the Concorde flew faster than the speed of sound, over 1,350 mph. Supersonic allure breaking sound barriers. But what happens when they break the sound barrier? A sonic boom. That's the shockwave created by the plane as it moves faster than sound waves. Sonic boom echoes a thunder in the sky. Supersonic travel was paused, but soon, new planes like Boom Supersonic promise to bring it back. Future echoes faster travel. Amazing, right? The sky isn't the limit. It's just the beginning. Follow for more aviation wonders. For more such type of content, like, share and subscribe to IATech India.